set our time and set timers in the heat pump, we slide to the right, which will bring up this side of the menu. Firstly, we've got our time setting. Choose the date using a sliding action to move up and down through the options. Press up in the top right to move forward. We set our hours. The clock is in 24-hour time. So again, using the sliding action to move through the time. And OK to save. To set timers, we slide to the right to bring up this side of the menu. We press our timer setting and set our on and off timers. To move into setting the time, we click the time there, and using a sliding up and down, choose the hours for the on timer. OK to save, and our off timer. OK to save, and to activate the timers, we press our sliders just here. Once they are blue, the timers are activated.